Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a wonderful recipe. Today we are going to make guvar dhokli sabji. We often think of which sabji to cook every day and also want to try something new. So today we are going to make such a sabji which is liked by all and it has a fab taste of dumplings which are the keys and liked the most. This sabji has a perfect flavor of traditional ingredients and really easy to make. So let's begin. Here I have taken 250 grams of cluster beans or guvar. I have washed it and cut its ends like this. We will cut these beans into two. It depends on you how big beans you like. But for now, if the beans are small, I am cutting them into two, and if big, dividing into three. I have cut all the beans. Now let's proceed to make dhokli. For making dhokli, I have taken a mixing bowl. Now add 3/4 cup gram flour or besan, half cup wheat flour, half teaspoon carom seed. We will crush between our palm and add so that its flavor enhances. 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, and now mix it roughly. Now add a little water and knead a dough. Make sure the texture of the dough is like that of chapati. So don't knead too loose and too hard. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Cluster beans is a highly suitable choice for diabetes also. Our dough is ready. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and give it a final knead. Many of them do not like cluster beans, but if you cook it with dhoklis, then you will surely like it. Dough is ready. You can see the texture of the dough. Now make such tiny balls out of the dough. They are ready. Now take a ball and shape it. Press it a bit at the center. Similarly, press all and shape it. We need protein, calcium, and phosphorus to maintain the strength of our bones. Cluster beans is a vegetable which provides all these three nutrients. Similarly, make all. I have made all of them. Now we will start to make sabji. For making the sabji, take a cooker and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat it. 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed, half teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon carom seed or ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger chili. Now add 2 grated tomatoes. Now mix all these ingredients well. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now add cluster beans. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix all these ingredients well. Now add all the dhoklis which we had prepared. Further add 2 cups of water. And give it a mix. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let's turn off the flame and let the cooker cool and the air in it settle. The cooker has cooled. Let's check. Stir it. Perfect. All of it has cooked so well. Now add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. And our guar dhokli sabji is ready. Our sabji is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our guar dhokli sabji is offered and ready. You can serve it with chapati, paratha or even plain rice. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and